1. Acknowledge their feelings. I hear you. It seems like you're upset because I know that this is a hard time for you. I know that you're hurting. To start comforting someone, acknowledge and describe what you see, hear, and feel. By witnessing and affirming what you see and rephrasing what they say, you help them know that you are on the same page and are not misinterpreting their situation. 2. Repeat their feelings. Of course you're upset. I was also upset when happened to me. Affirm their feelings using the same emotion-infused word they use, for example, disappointed, heartbroken, etc. Sometimes, past personal experiences allow us to show that we can relate. Be careful not to change the conversation's focus to you, but rather, share to show that you empathize. Avoid comparing your experience with theirs, but focus on the other person's story. 3. Draw their emotions out. Tell me what happened. How did that make you feel? More often than not, people just want to be heard. By asking them how something made them feel, you'll elicit a response from them. It is not about what they felt, but it's how they felt so you can gain deeper meanings of their world. By asking someone how, instead of what, you avoid being caught in one-word replies. Avoid asking why questions, as they might come across as being critical, rather than encourage the other person to understand their suffering better. 4. Don't minimize their pain. Don't focus only on cheering them up. People find it hard to focus on the future when they're in pain in the present time. 5. Be there for them, right at that moment. When they burst into tears, if you react with, "Don't cry. You'll feel better," or "Cheer up," it'll come across as trying to trivialize what they are feeling. Instead, be a good listener and let them talk. 6. Offer physical affection, when appropriate. If they don't want to talk, they might not be ready to share. In that case, and only if appropriate, give him or her a hug. Physical affection should match the level of love you show regularly. If you've never hugged this person, then perhaps a hand on their shoulder would suffice. But if the person is your partner, a hug or a snuggle would be more appropriate. 7. Express your support. Let your friend know that you care and that you're sorry for what they're going through is very important. Even if they feel better after talking to you, keep reaffirming your support and let them know that you are there for them. 8. Tell them they're special. We all feel good knowing we are that special person to someone. Let your friend know how much they mean to you. Nothing is better than a handwritten note, so write down how thankful you are to have a friend like him or her in your life. 9. Give positive reinforcement. Science has shown that we need 3 positive ones for every negative thought to counteract the negative one. Negativity impacts us more than positivity. It sidelines us and makes us unhappy, says Dr. Aaron Stair, a physician and health consultant who runs Blooming Wellness in New York. It might not have been you who put those negative thoughts into your friend's head, but they can negate them with 3 positive statements at a time. 10. Keep things simple. Remember, most people would not share easily, even if they need some help. However, you should at least try by asking if they want to talk. This question alone will relieve that person's feelings quite a lot,